guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 24th day of the 40 days challenge. Today I'll be sharing an amazing mocktail recipe made of the butterfly pea flower. So butterfly pea flower has these amazing bright blue petals which are used to make the blue tea or mocktails. So the butterfly pea flower is the native of tropical Asia. It is considered a cold and cough busting ingredient. We'll add a few of butterfly pea flower petals and add hot water to it. You can see that it immediately turns into this beautiful blue color as soon as you pour the hot water. Just give it a nice mix. Leave it for like 2 minutes so the water absorbs all the blue color from the petals. There you go guys, I strained this into a beautiful glass. You can see the beautiful blue color. We'll keep it aside. I will transfer half of this into a different glass. And see how beautifully and immediately it turns purple, guys. It is gorgeous. Look at that color. Yeah, just leave that aside. So we have one blue color drink and a purple color drink. Now let's start assembling all these into this fancy glass. I'll first pour the purple drink into this one as a base. To that, add lots of ice and some basil seeds like that. Kiwi puree. There you go guys, our beautiful drink is ready. But to finish it off and give it a nice mix like this. This is really fresh and refreshing and perfect to beat the heat outside. Amazing drink, so try it. My today's 2 cents is the legends say live like an eagle, because the eagle doesn't live like rest of the birds. It lives by the rules that make it the king of the skies. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye bye.